everyone, how is everyone doing today? My name is Gina and I'm doing great. Are you ready for another 12 days of Craftmas project? I know I am. Okay, so today I've got this cute little rectangle frame, and I actually got it from Walmart, and I think I only paid like 94 cents for it. It was under $1, I know. It was either 97 or 94 cents. But I think it's adorable. So, what I want to do is, like always, I'm going to use some sealer to, and I'm just going to do like this. Make life easier. And so I'm going to seal this, and I will be back when I get it all nice and sealed. Okay, so I've got that sealed, and I went to plaid.com, or I think I had to do folk art plaid or something like that. I don't know. But they have free projects, and I saw this one that uses the frame, right? And I was like, oh my gosh, that is so cute. So I'm going to be trying it out. So help me. So this is really the first time I'm going by instructions on what to do. So I'm totally using their instructions. Now, I don't have folk art paint. I've got Americana Decra art instead. But I think it's okay. I think it'll still be pretty. Okay, so the very first thing is to prep, which I did. Then we're going to base coat the surface of the picture frame in metallic pearl white. Well, I've got white pearl here by Deco Art, which, you know, sounds like the same to me, right? And then we're going to paint the inside edge here and the outside here with the black metallic black sequins. Now, a lot of this is metallic, so I'm interested in knowing what this is going to end up looking like. Well, I don't have that. I've got from Craftsmart Onyx, so it's black metallic. So that is what I'm going to use. So let me put out a little bit of the pearl. Let me get my brush, and we're just going to paint. I'm doing the white first. Oh, I would think you would need it to put something else down over this metallic. Okay, this is probably going to take 2 coats for sure with this white for this to really pop, because it's not popping. And I'm doing the white first because, of course, the black will cover the white. It'd be hard to cover black. So if I go over the edge, it'll be okay, which I probably will. Okay, so let me do that. I'm going to go ahead and base coat, like it said, and then I'm doing black here on this, and then black on the inside there. And again, it's probably going to take 2 coats of this white, maybe even 3, for it to really pop. So I will be back when I get the base coats done. Okie dokie. So I've got that done. It took 2 coats. So probably could have took more, but alright, now it says to, on the surface, wiggle outline around the inside and outside edge of the frame with thin metallic bright red using the number 2 script liner. Do not try to keep your outline straight. Well, thank goodness for that, because, you know, I can't even with a ruler do a straight line. So, alright, so I got a number 2 liner brush here, and then I'm using from Craftsmart Fiesta Red. Alright, so let me just get some water. And I'm guessing you want it to be like this consistency of ink, you know? You want it pretty darn wet. Oh, you know what? They were right on the edge. Dang it. No wonder. Oh, but I think it's too late. Let's try. Okay, I'm going to get a fresh baby wipe. Oh dear. Oh no. Alright, let's see. Try to put some more pearl white on there. I just was not happy with that, y'all. You know, if you're not happy, see, this is why I don't like going by pictures. See, now I'm not going to be able to get rid of that. This is why I like doing my own thing, because then I don't screw up. But when I have a picture to go by, I want it to look like the picture, you know? Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Oh, that did not help any, did it? I'm probably getting it all over the black. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this dry, and I'm just have to keep putting coats on there, because I goofed up. It's supposed to be on the very edge. You're not supposed to have a border, so I don't know why I was thinking it needed a border. Oh dear, oh dear. Alright. Well, let's let that dry, and I will be back. Okay, well, that did not work. Excuse me that well, but okay, I'm just gonna move forward. I'm just gonna move forward. Right? It's my first time doing this, so, you know, I'm gonna give myself a little leeway to make some boo-boos, which I just did. It's no big deal. Alright, so but we're gonna try it again, so I'm just getting all this good and wet. Try to get it to look like ink. Blop blop, fizz fizz, oh what a relief it is. Alrighty, now then, let's see what the instruction says to do next. Using a ruler for a straight edge, draw a large triangle holiday tree on each corner, a star on top of each tree, and a small rectangle at the bottom for the trunk. Okay. So I'm looking at the picture, and I need my pencil. I need a pencil. I have, now instead of drawing a star, because you know, I've got a couple of stencils that have stars here, and so I'm just going to wait until I get the tree drawn for me to decide what kind of star I want to have, you know. So I gotta find my pencil. Then I gotta find my ruler. Okay, let's wish me luck. Alright, so Okay, something along those lines. Okay. Alright. Well, I did that. Alright, so we need to paint each tree with foliage green. Or fresh foliage. I'm using foliage green. And I need my smallest, I'm going to use my smallest flat brush that I have. Okay, they may look a little funky, but hey, I'm alright with that. Alright, I'm going to let them dry, and then I'm going to put another coat on, because I need another coat. Oh, but let's see. Trunk metallic black, so we need that metallic black again. Okay, so now we are to shade the right side of the trees by floating metallic Christmas green, which I'm using festive green instead, and then highlight the left side with apple orchard, but I'm using sour apple. Okay, so let's do that. Let's shade first, and then we'll highlight. And let's see. I think I'm going to use the 3/8 brush. Alright, now let's go ahead and highlight the trunk. Let's do the stars on the tree. I'm going to do this little one right there. Alright, gold, 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 gold. Now we are to take some of the sparkling ice and go over the tree with it. So I need to let this dry. Right. I might put 2 coats of that on there. But I'm going to let this first coat dry, and then I will be back. So I did the little dots, and now what I want to do is I'm going to outline, and I'm not using the 2. I'm using this, and it's a 0 to outline the tree. There we go. I think it turned out super cute. I mean, you know, first of all, I can't do a straight line, but you know what? I've had some crooked trees in my day. There's crooked trees out in the real world, you know. So, hey, I'm not gonna beat myself up for it to being a little bit crooked, but I think it turned out super cute. So I really liked doing it, right? You know, did a little bit of boo-boos here and there, but for the most part, I think it turned out pretty cute. I really like it. I do. I really like it. I think it's cute. Alright, so that's it. Isn't it cute? I think it turned out really super cute. Super easy, super fun. I had a blast making it. I hope you had a blast watching the video. And I hope it inspired you just to grab one of these at Walmart. Now, I will say that I did not sand it first, and I should have done that. It felt smooth to the touch, like before I started, but once I started painting, it's rough. So I should have sanded it down first. So that's the only thing that, you know, I would do is I would definitely sand it down and try to you know, get more straight lines. But I like it the way it is, because, you know, this is just me. This is how I roll. I don't do straight lines very, I mean, I should have got my T ruler out. Then I could have probably done a straight line, to be totally honest with you. But anyway, I like it. I think it turned out cute. And I hope you like it too. So if you did, and if you're enjoying the series, I'm so happy because I am having a blast doing this series. It's so much fun. So I hope you're enjoying it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe if you've not already subscribed. And if you have, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. But don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified for every time that I post a video. All right, y'all. Y'all be good to one another, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.